Inside this website, you go and follow by installing Davinci Resolve. Inside, click on free download and select Linux. Then fill up the form and select download, register and save. Save wherever you want. Once you're done, go into the downloads and you can see it's already there. So now let's follow the step-by-step guide on the website. Scroll down. Okay, you have done all already. So now click on download the script. Press this button to download. Then save it. Alright, so now you've saved it into downloads. There's 2 of this. Now extract it. Extract the other one also. So now you just wait at the bottom left. There's a progress bar. Let it finish extracting. So you copy and paste, and then in the bottom left you can see it's extracting. Wait for it to finish. So now it says it's finished. So scroll down all the way in the website, then copy this code, go in the terminal and paste this and enter. Press Y. That's it. Then do the same for the other one. Copy and paste into the terminal. Enter Y, and that's it. So now go back to the website and you can see Nvidia graphic driver. Make sure you update your graphic driver. You can follow my tutorial on my other videos in description below. So now here, once you're done, create the .deb. So go to Davinci Resolve folder in downloads, then right click, open in terminal, and here copy this code and paste it in. Enter. That's it. Then once you're done, copy the code and paste it here and enter. So once you're done, you can check it out and see if it works. Now, if you waited long and it doesn't work, then follow this troubleshooting guide. Now go into the downloads, click on this .run here, and you'll see there is an error. So now you go to terminal and sudo apt install everything that is inside this error here. So if you see here missing packages, below here there are all this liber, sound, libxcb. Just follow all of this and copy it and paste it inside the terminal. So as how I do it one by one. You can do it 3, 4, 5, as long as you install everything that is written there. So like how I do it, sudo apt install, then I copy whatever in these packages listed here. So once it's completed and you click again .run, you will see there's still an error of this first line. Don't worry, that is normal because the packages cannot be found. So what we are going to do is we are going to put in this code skip underscore package underscore check equal 1. Just pause here and copy this code, paste it, and it works. Now just click on this davinci.db, run anyway, install like usual, and that's it. This part is optional. If it still doesn't work, maybe your graphic card is too old, so you need to install the previous version of Davinci and follow the guide again. Okay, so now here's the Davinci troubleshooting. So now once you're inside Davinci and you want to start to edit, you cannot just put it in because it will not work. As you can see, nothing will happen to your video. It will not work. Okay, so you will have to convert it. First, you need to create a folder, type in this name, convert, put inside this folder your video into this folder, then create a new document text file, go inside this text file, paste this code in, and save it. Now rename it, write exactly the file name, make sure .sh and rename it. Okay, then right click on it, properties, and select executable as program, toggle it on. Right click on in the folder and open in terminal, then rename it, copy the file name, paste it in the terminal, // then paste it in the terminal and enter. So you'll see the command not found. Then all you need to do is just type in ffmpeg, the one that says the command not found, and just copy the code that it recommended. You can copy either snap or apt install. Apt install is the newest version, so I just copy this and paste it. And now I'm going to do the / again to convert, and now it will work. So after I converted, just go into transcoded folder and test it out. Right, so I'm going to choose one of the folder to be the. Okay, so now it is working. Now we can test it out by putting it inside Davinci and selecting it and test it out. Right, so I'm going to choose one of the folder to be the demonstration. So first I'm going to show you in the. Now we are going to try a quick export. Make sure you select ProRes and export it. Then you select which path you want to save it in. Now saving it into this path. Okay. Once it's saved, you can see the one.move and it will not work. We'll go into the store and install this WinFF. So WinFF, install it. This is optional if you want to convert, if you want to export in your Davinci and you want to convert the file extension from .mov to mp4, you need WinFF. So if you want to convert into mp4, go to WinFF, and then you can add this video that you just exported. Then here you just choose mpeg-4, and you can just select convert. That's it. So just wait for it. Once you're done, then you can try opening it. It will not work. You'll need to use the VLC. So I've tested uploading this video to YouTube. It works, and if you use VLC, then it will work also. So that's it. Right guys, comment below, is this worth it to install? Please tell me your opinion below. I'm going to choose one of the folder to be the demonstration. So first, please like, subscribe, and comment. Feel free to donate by pressing the thanks button. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Gamer signing out.